How to change language on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can change language on Twitch. So how do you change language on your Twitch account? It is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Twitch account, just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you can see different videos, different live channels. By the left side you can see recommended channels as well. So as you can see this, move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on your profile icon. By doing that, in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you scroll down until you can see the option language. Okay, so click on that. So by clicking on language, you can see the different other languages available. You just go ahead to select the language that you would like to change to. So for me, I'll just select French, which is français. And then once you've selected the language, the page would be reloaded. All right, and then your words would be written in that particular language that you have selected. So this is it. As you can see on my screen, language has been changed. So I'm just going to go back now and change it to the language I prefer, which is English. All right, and it has been changed. This is basically how you can change your language on the Twitch account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.